It's 2024. If you're not making money with AI, then you're sleeping on dollars that you should be making. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money using AI tools that you must have heard about, but you don't realize the potential, how you can use it to make money for yourself. Let's get right into this video. So first thing you want to do is to go onto Amazon and search for kids storybooks for you to get idea for writing a children's storybook. So you can see various storybooks here, how they look, the cover, how colorful it is, the prices and everything, so that you get a general idea of what you're getting yourself into. So once you've seen all of this, you can now generate ideas about what you want to do. I don't mean you should copy, emphasis on that. I'm saying you should generate ideas. You should draw inspiration from what you're seeing on the screen right now for you to be able to create your own. So now you can see prices of everything here, and then you leave and go on to the next one. The next thing you want to do is to go onto CHGPT, the website or the app. It's an AI text generator, and type a prompt like write a short story for kids to learn something useful. You know that children's stories are usually very useful. They teach a lesson, so that is what we are going for. So when you use this prompt, you're going to generate a story like you can see on your screen, and then you get ready to go on to the next part of this video where it gets interesting. Canva is like one of my best apps. So when you come onto Canva, if you don't have it, you can sign up and then you can get started. Now you go onto the Canva website or the app and you search for storybook. They already have a lot of templates. You don't need to think too much. It's available for you already. And then you pick one of the templates and you just start designing, play around with colors, play around with ideas that you already have. Or if you don't have anything, if you're having like a creator's block, that is fine as well. Canva already has like a lot of templates that you can use for free. Now I'm trying to play around with shapes for me to design something for children, and then you can see I'm also generating images of earthworm and things like that that look quite funny and interesting for kids. These kind of images are very important when you're trying to create a children's storybook, because it's going to make them interested. Don't use boring images. There are AI images on this Canva that you can use. There are elements, there are photos, there are a lot of things that you can use on Canva. Please make it interesting, make it colorful, make it attractive, because that is what makes children keep reading a storybook. Once they're going through your storybook and they're like flipping the pages, seeing interesting images, they will stay glued to that storybook. Always want to purchase your storybook or get invested in it. So you continue to add your own elements. Then when you go to elements, you pick up shapes, you pick up images, and then your first part of your story is almost done, because this is the hardest part. The hardest part of this story is designing an interesting cover and interesting pages of your story. So you can keep going through the images. Here I'm still trying to decorate a full-blown book. So now I have already picked up this funny frame, so I'm going to add this image into the frame. Just like you can see on this screen, you can see the way it transformed from a blank frame into something that looks this good for my book. I'm going to continue to the next frame as well. I'm going to search for an image that I can impute into that frame for it to like come together and look amazing. Now I'm going to also type something. I'm using the Canva AI image generator, so I'm just going to tell it what it's going to generate for me. So instead of me going through thousands of pictures that might not give me what I want, I'm using the AI on this app, which is absolutely free. It is free, you can do that. So now it has generated another image for me. You can see that I've imputed it into the frame. I'm going to keep doing this for other frames in this book continuously until I've gotten what exactly I need to finish this book. You can see that all the frames are just coming together, looking very attractive, looking good, and that is what I am going for. So now I'm impressed with what I've done so far. I'm going to just add finishing touches to my book, and then my book is ready. It's okay to what I want to do. And then now I want to turn this into a book, I'm going to click on the share button, and then when I click on the share button, I'll go down to more, and then I'm going to see like a column for that to turn my book into a flip book. Now it's preparing my design. It's saying that my design is ready. As you can see, the flip book is finished already, and now I'm going to go on to Amazon. If you haven't registered before, then you register, you sign up. Every other instruction is pretty much self-explanatory. You're going to, register your address, your book title, indicate if it's a series or not, add the edition number, add your name as the author. If you have an alias, a lot of people use an alias. If you don't want people to know that you're the one, or if you want like a cool name for your books, you can just use an alias as well, a author's name. A lot of people don't use their original name as their pen name. So your pen name, it can be anything. It can be a name that you've been thinking about, that I admire this name. You can use that as your pen name, and you just fill in other things, include keywords that people are going to easily search your book with. You're good to go. As you can see, you're going to pick the categories, and then you're going to add other information. As you can see on the screen, subcategories and categories. What kind of book is it? Is it a fiction? Is it a non-fiction? Obviously a kid's story is obviously a fiction, because it's like something that was generated, it didn't happen in real life. So once you're done with that section, you're going to add keywords. Keywords are very important because that indicates or shows how people are going to locate you if people are searching for the terms that you use in your book. And I've given like an example on how to get this keyword. If you've watched my previous video, I said something about using Chrome to know what people are searching for. When you go onto Chrome, you try and search for something, and then you can see all that information of what people are searching for. This is like a very, very easy way for you to make money using AI, because what's happened now, you didn't use any of your initiative, you didn't write the story, you didn't design the book, you didn't design anything, you just used AI completely for you to be able to achieve this. Now, if you want more content like this, I would advise that you subscribe to my channel so you can get videos like this anytime I drop them. Like anytime I drop the video, you'll be one of the first people to catch up and watch and learn something new and be on your way to making dollars, money for yourself and your loved ones. Now, until next time, bye bye.